Hi, in this video I will show you how to perform bird dog crunches. This exercise works your entire core. It strengthens your lower back muscles, your glutes, your abdominal muscles, and even works your triceps. Get in the all falls position and then raise the right hand as you raise the left leg. Make sure they are parallel to the floor and then crunching. Remember to squeeze your butt muscles while in this position. Do the same number of reps for each side. Alternatively, you can just perform alternating bird dog crunches like this. That is how you perform bird dog crunches.